Storm warning cages and description. We used to hear the weather reports saying that the storm warning cage had been installed during the storm formation. At that time, we would have heard announcements that the number 1 storm warning cage has been loaded and the number 2 storm warning cage has been loaded. What is the explanation for the numbers on these storm warning cages? Let's see about it in this video. What a number 1 storm warning cage indicates is that weather conditions exist that are likely to develop into a storm. Indicates that strong winds are blowing. This also means that there is no harm to the port. What a second number storm warning cage means is that a storm is brewing. Ships should leave port on seeing this warning. What the number 3 storm warning cage indicates is that the port is in a threatening weather environment with gusty winds and rain. What the number 4 storm warning cage indicates is bad weather due to storm in port. It also indicates danger to ships in port. What the number 5 storm warning cage means is that the storm will make landfall on the left side of the port. What the number 6 storm warning cage means is that the storm will make landfall on right side of the port. What the number 7 storm warning cage means is that the storm will make landfall at or near a port. What the number 8 storm warning cage indicates is that a severe or very severe storm will cross the left side of the port. What the number 9 storm warning cage means is that a very intense storm will cross the shore on the right side of the port. What the number 10 storm warning cage indicates is that a very intense storm will make landfall through or near the port. What the number 11 storm warning cage means is that port communication with the weather center has been cut off, indicating that a very severe storm condition exists. Generally, storm warning cages 1 and 2 indicate that the storm is distant. Storm warning cage 3 indicates strong winds with rain. Storm warning cage 4 indicates a storm is forming at sea. And storm warning cages 5, 6 and 7 indicate storm intensification of wind of 80 km per hour. Storm warning cages 8, 9 and 10 indicate the risk of storm surge and wind gusts of over 120 km per hour. And storm warning cage 11 indicates that communication between the port and the meteorological center has been severed due to severe weather conditions. Also indicates peak storm conditions. Now when you hear weather reports with storm warning cage numbers, you will understand what they mean. Thanks for watching this video. Join with us for more useful videos like this.